Hi guys, my name is Priyashu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we will discuss question number 5a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF form and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. You can note this number for future purposes also, and we provide all type of solutions accordingly. If you need any solutions regarding the if you need any help regarding the studies, you can contact. We are providing also the online classes for this. You can contact. Now the question number 5a mention some psychological impacts of poverty and how can psychological intervention help in dealing with these issues. So this chapter is taken is this question is taken from the lesson 16, and we have prepared all the answers according to the lessons and the word limit wise. If you need this, you can contact us. So we will provide all the answers accordingly. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.